Well, what other weird shit's going on these days?
I think one of the biggest things that we're facing is the collision between all of the crazy claims and the facts catching up to us with the deferred maintenance and deferred. It's called technical debt in the programming and computer world, where basically you don't do any work on anything, and it doesn't change, but it rots because the world changes around you.
Right.
Okay. So, I mean, everybody knows that, your roof on your house eventually wears out and has to be replaced, right?
Right.
And, you leave your car outside, it eventually ends up as a ball of rust.
Right.
And everything else.
Oxidation,
Well, entropy is a thing, okay?
Right.
The world tends towards disorder, and you have to put things into it. But people think that, for example, if I write a piece of software, and then I don't touch it for 10 years, well, it performs exactly the same way it did 10 years ago.
Right.
That is true. However, the world changes around it.
But it doesn't interface anymore.
Well, the world changes around it.
Yes.
Okay. So, and in the computer world, this has a name. They call it technical debt, and essentially that's what has accumulated to a large degree, just like so much of our infrastructure is literally corroding out from under us because we haven't put anything into keeping it up. And that, I believe, is in the process of colliding with many of these so-called forward claims. And I'm very concerned about that in the fairly near future, because the valuations that people are placing on things, companies, assets, houses, job prospects, things like this, all rely on not just the physical infrastructure being there and functional, but that the technical debt within the technological system does not catch up with us. And you can't delegate that stuff to computers. That has to be done with thinking humans and hands. And we're just not doing it. We haven't, I mean, the entire, and to a sense, to kind of go back to where we started, we've become a much more socialist nation. And as we increase this. We increase that rate. Because instead of innovating, we steal.
That's the nature of socialism, isn't it?
It is, but it's also increasingly the nature of America. You just think about not just Democrats either. How many people on the right think there's such a thing as a free lunch? One form or another.
Yeah, one form or another.
Okay, it's in a different place, but it's a free lunch. We can spend another $200 billion on defense. From where does the $200 billion come?
From, yes.
Out of my butt?
In fact. Yeah, in fact, it's an interesting thing that you ride around and listen to the news on the radio all day, and about every other story that is reported makes you stop and say, but how are you going to do that?
Yeah.
How are you going to afford this?
Right.
Where does all this electricity come from? Join us this week for Starting Strength Radio. The podcast this week features our friend Carl Denninger. His website is market-ticker.org, and Carl is real bright. He has his hands on a lot of information. He's an exceptionally good analyst, and if you are not paying attention to market-ticker.org, this should be your introduction to that. He'll be with us for about an hour and a half, and we had a wide-ranging discussion. And we will bring that to you Friday, right here on Starting Strength Radio.